This is all I'm doing.
Sayaw na lang. Panoorin ang simpleng pamumuhay ng pamilya nila Judy Ann Santos at Ryan Agoncillo.
Eto na, I am finally doing Ultera today. Hello, Juday. How are you? Excited. You know, marami kaming agenda ni Juday today. Yes. We're gonna do your Ultera. Yes. Right? Hindi, alam nyo guys, sobrang blooming ng aking friend si Juday.
Because, syempre, may trust ka sa iyong doktora.
Thank you, Juday.
May output.
Tsaka consistent. Diba, Juday? Ilang years na tayo? Super tagal na.
Kung ilang years kaming kasal ni Rai?
Exactly. Ilang years kayo?
15.
What?
Yes.
Oh my gosh!
15 years na tayo!
Oh my gosh! How come we still look the same?
Ikaw na
Oh my God, so you're celebrating with us.
Yes!
I am 15. So Juday was there when I started.
Yep.
So
Pa yung clinic mo noon.
Ikakasal ka pa lang. Imagine, Juday has been there from the very start.
Yep, yo.
Kasi si Juday parang nag-freeze yung age niya. She still looks exactly how she looked 15 years ago. Actually, with Juday, we don't see each other every month. But when we see each other, consistent na.
Under eye. Ngayon ko lang to actually.
Ha? Same na tayo before ba?
No. Concerned ko talaga kasi yung eye bags. Kasi kahit naka-concealer siya, syempre pag lumalalim na yung gabi, nagpa-puff na siya. Or kahit may mga moments lang nag-puffy siya. Kailangan sa jawline.
We're almost done.
Yeah, woo!
It's okay.
Yeah, hey!